Me did the Isaac Jumpo, but you have the great sample and bring one man come near too much G8, too much G8, more too much. Namenso, may I'm more fire.
For me, my obibia aqua by the back to my GH money about some for Mexico, and I'm did you me ever person make my conia faces nine someone. Chess I jib go my moon and I'm a day brem. Name a dinny cheer, moon giant election year one. I am a gana had it a higher she or jawo ja. Acquire say 2 parties I ain't learning somewhere popular Ghana do wanna support to woman. Ama a bimu extra woman kasa campaign akasia kwaso ye NDC for kama NDC president omo pese obedi ade na MPP so supporters and so any campaign house to house and senior ye nyina ye ni tue from house to house campaign MPP senior be ye dan ya obobuta ye omo pese His Excellency Nana Addo Dankwa abote akonya so wonsan to asubie mu no ebebe mu na ye kasa yi na ni na senior parties too ni na obi adwen kire no obi atu nwa na mo senior be ya na adwen kire awowo ana senior person ni o makono ebebe mu na ye kasa nso supporter wono no wodi A+. First no ye hip life musician wo Ghana asesi anso obi beka kum politician what the ensemble aba betuja na nsem a waka ne se ye president ya wote so no se eba se family and friend government dia na wono onye bi na ni obeka ne se ye Mahama is excellent at say ye president a wotwem John Dramani Mahama wono ene be ye family friends government na nsem a waka ne wo pa kire ni na ne se Nana Addo supporters a womo support no 2016 man betina akonya ne so up to 2020 no wono chese we yi womo maye na wono ade ne family abetina akonya ne so no mu disika no nyafo monkey dey work bamboo dey chop sa na wo pache se wona wo bua Nana Addo man betina akonya so ni na so ma ye eju obregu ejuma esanse na onye opportunity betina so no ni re efiwom na emo wama the family wafa ono ane family the cousins and omu diga na finance minister ye name say His Excellency the cousin ono kan womu diska na nyafo na se ne wosi kan nsem opache se Mahama membo no wona wo boa wono ma ni bedi ade no kai wo one family nkwa amba betina so ana one family amba betina almai mu se wo mundi Ghana for sika na for kwa A+ de biada owo bibi kanana so nya wode betu ja no me pese me bobo so kire mo pepe say nya wode to ni page ne so nse mo wo kan ye say na etie or say it was John Mahama who was running a family and a friend government. Akufo-Addo is not like John Mahama. He is not running a family and friends government. He is running a family government. Even the friends are crying. So go and ask Santan Baron and Chum and Seconds and Chairman and Kweku Bediakun. In fact, go and ask the whole executive club members. Wano pa chese se wo pa dance die pa nkofo ku we ya medi omudin tu dwa no kwana ko bisa mo afise osusu se wo mu twa dwado na wono ni nsem ni na obo ne tofa ne se His Excellency Nana Addo the government no corrupted wo mu disika esan say special prosecutor onumpo etu ni se wo bra number standing and number fighting against corruption no wo mumpo onumpo when to me attack if you say wo hu ne say corruption na wo fight no wo MPP aban ni mu ankasa chese mpanyufo a wo mu no okase obedi etia wo mu a chese president no ne nkofo mu wa na wontia no de when to me na ama na resign eno na A+ wo susu na ensiwa wasa koso kase debi se Ghana for anhwe ye na wo mantu abani ye na se omo be bre omo be supporting another man na be so mo say indirectly no omo brego esan say wo ba betina akonya ne so there is no way wo be kai wo be say akwasisa the family a che say wo mo kure tutu kwan ne wo mo ni Ghana ha krampo no be bo madia akofre from na sa ba be abesi wo mo MP ni nkoni aba na yanhwe yie krampo na wo mo be fa Ghana edi so na ena bebra be kire wo ma dwen say there be A+ or man ni action ni nto or kasa dodo and then or kasa sa nsem a wo kan wo prove ana eba politics a man ko be break up mo kan ni omo pe na A+ dey see dia bro so say dey lawyer Sami Jeffrey so kan nsem say abro so party say A+ so abro so no kan na ntum or no ba politics mu da ben na wo sorry wo ka corruption asem corruption no mahama ban mu na corruption wo papa no stagger na free na ba yesan say is ex-president and what so John Dramani Mahama nimre so na echire ebobo ba yese slave queens bebre che say na yato efie dia ma onti si e ka kata hihye ene proye dia na NDC abreso na sa kata hihye ne wo ho na politics family and friends politics nkrofo a wo ma ye ready say oman ni do makoma so a wo mo pese wo mo bu oman na mo bua oman no timemfo na family and friends affairs say na misisi so no na wo pa kire say we krampa wo kan confirm say ex-president John Dramani Mahama say ye man kwan if we say ba no obesi so no or the family and friends na is excellence na nado ye na ni say na nado oba ye no wa bo ne ho modin say ne be ya ne botai o de besi so no obetumi etu na mo na watu so na tie fo hwe say na A+ be kan nsem na wo hwe na ado egufu ado ne membu a wadwenkyere wo ho ene sense na site bia wadwenkyere wo be ya so be ja wadwenkyere ato ye comment section wo e de amai after one subscribe ya no abon mo no subscribe say na be ya too much if you dey class edumedie bi ebedi wo so won sabetumi akabi na watumi akire wade na after wo hye na wo like e de promote channel we ene dey so munua ba mo so for Mexico na me din kita ho e be so mo aha e na me din mo besi bakwa
fitiani asese ni din ene your friend say mechanic na prophet kumichacha ma sesa me YouTube no ba bia me hwe bia ma change afro ene maba too much GH hwe na prophet kumichacha me so me hwe